Starting around 17 walk 2024 Nexo for the most part is exchanging at $0.41 in term of its iced rate with a value change of 105% in especially most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Nexo essentially has a very all-out market cap of $794.64 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $818.23, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. This in a real sense makes Nexo essentially positioning at 119 in the digital currency market in a significant way. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what all things considered, is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2024 what? Will Nexo really be truly worth in 2024, which truly is genuinely critical? Is Nexo a wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2024, which sort of is genuinely critical? Will Nexo cost generally outperform its unequaled high in an unobtrusive manner? These in every practical sense are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, or so they generally thought. Nexo value expectation 2024 as per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Nexo cost basically is supposed to explicitly cross a truly normal value level of $0.89. The normal especially least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the especially current year ought to truly be $0.83, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, Nexo can especially arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest value level of $2.22. So starting around 17 walk 2024 Nexo generally is exchanging at $0.41 in term of its iced rate with the value change of 105% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they fundamentally thought. Nexo value figure walk 2024. In walk 2024 the cost of Nexo in a real sense is supposed to really be at around at least $1.33, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo cost can in a real sense arrive at a kind of limit of $1.52 with a really normal cost of $1.47 in USD, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Nexo value figure April 2024. For April 2024 the cost of Nexo generally will be by and large anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a typical cost of $1.50, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $1.59 and at least $1.43 in a genuinely huge manner. Nexo value estimate May 2024 the very normal cost of Nexo could sort of go to $1.56 toward the finish of May 2024 in a really significant manner. Nexo could especially be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of $1.65 with a sort of least expected cost of $1.51 in a quite huge manner. Nexo value estimate June 2024. Concerning June 2024, Nexo by and large is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a sort of least value worth of $1.54. The Nexo cost could arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $1.73 with the exceptionally normal cost around $1.61 in an especially huge manner. Nexo value expectation July 2024. Nexo cost generally is supposed to fundamentally reach between $1.57 to $1.81 in July 2024, while the sort of typical cost of Nexo for the July fundamentally remains around $1.64. Nexo value expectation August 2024. The cost of Nexo basically is explicitly anticipated to sort of reach at a truly least worth of $0.64 in August 2024. Further appearance how Nexo value expectation 2024 as per the Nexo estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Nexo cost truly is supposed to truly cross a for the most part normal value level of $1.89. The normal truly least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $1.83, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The Nexo cost could arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $1.87 with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $1.69. All through 2024, which generally is very critical. Nexo value gauge September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Nexo generally is certainly anticipated to arrive at an essentially normal cost of $1.73, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $1.96 and a sort of least of $1.66, which sort of is very critical. Nexo value estimate October 2024. The Nexo cost for October 2024 may sort of arrive at an extremely least worth of $1.70, while the very greatest determined cost especially is around $2.04 kind of. Additional appearance how Nexo value expectation July 2024. Nexo cost basically is supposed to by and large reach between $1.57 to $1.81 in July 2024, while the very normal cost of Nexo for the July in a real sense stays around $164 Nexo value expectation August 2024. The cost of Nexo generally is truly anticipated to, for the most part, reach at a sort of least worth of $164 in August 2024. Further appearance how Nexo value forecast 2024 as per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Nexo cost basically is supposed to essentially cross a normal value level of $0.89. The normal kind of least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the very current year ought to generally be $0.83 in a kind of significant manner. The genuinely normal cost for Nexo generally is anticipated to, in a real sense, reach $0.76 in October 2024. So Nexo value estimate May 2024, the very normal cost of Nexo could explicitly go to $1.56 toward the finish of May 2024, or so they really thought. Nexo value expectation November 2024. Nexo cost especially is supposed to fundamentally reach between $1.74 to $0.13 in November 2024, while the typical cost of Nexo for the November especially remains around $1.81 Nexo. Value gauge December 2024. With respect to December 2024, Nexo really is supposed to arrive at any rate value worth of $0.83, which for the most part is very huge. The Nexo cost could explicitly arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $2.22 with the typical cost around $0.89, showing the way that Nexo could basically be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $1.65 with the very least expected cost of $1.51, which especially is genuinely critical. Nexo especially passed value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been for the most part diminished by 0.75% in its ongoing worth, in a genuinely significant manner. In the event that we generally look at the very current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap is likewise down, showing how starting around 17 walk 2024 Nexo for the most part is exchanging at $1.41 in term of its erst rate with a value change of 105% in especially most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo really is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which is genuinely critical. The Nexo really is down to nearly 199% in the absolute most recent 7 days amazingly. The coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for pretty past in every practical sense. Not many days the coin could fundamentally have major areas of strength for essentially yet. We don't basically feel that it would a beneficial resource in by and large transient in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value gauge 2024 facts. What will generally be Nexo truly worth in 2024, which explicitly is very huge. The Nexo value sort of is gauged to sort of arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.22 with least cost of $0.83 toward the finish of 2024 or so. Explicitly thought. Does Nexo generally have a future, or so they in every way that really matters thought? As far as value, Nexo sort of has an exceptional